I don't know if you're a game buff or not, but if you are, the Pinball Museum, that is the interactive Pinball Museum in Warsaw, is a place you have to go. It's right in the center, so you'll have little trouble finding it. Here you'll find a whole history of pinball machines, many of which have been lovingly restored. Not only that, you'll find all the games from the 1980s and before that you really love, like Space Invaders, for example, or Pong. This really is an interactive history of games. And the beauty of it is you can do it in a room with a lot of other people, your friends or even strangers. You don't have to sit at home all alone. It's 40 zlotys for up to 9 fun-packed hours. So come one, come all to the Warsaw Interactive Pinball Arcade. I'm Will Richardson, and this is Poland Daily Travel. Sometimes we really do have a lot of fun, and this is definitely one of those times. And if you like shooting ghouls, then this place is really gonna make your day, punks. Hello everybody and welcome to Poland Daily Travel. We're in the Pinball Museum and the Game Museum here in Warsaw. And you know what, we're gonna look at this, this is Pavel, by the way, I forgot to say. Pavel and Miriam. Yeah, wave to the guys. Okay.
Let's shoot somebody.
We're gonna shoot some people here, or not real people,
No.
figurative people. It's
Bad
like
guys.
it's like a Tarantino movie.
Yeah, bad
It's not
guys.
real violence. They're bad guys. We gotta get them.
We need to
they're-
rescue girl.
We can say that.
Miriam, you need to rescue
Another girl,
Rachel.
yeah.
Hey,
the
Miriam.
bad guy.
I can
to-
rescue-
You can pretend they're Al Qaeda. Yeah. Yeah. You get them all, or
Take-
Taliban.
Grab the gun.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Grab that gun.
Yeah, grab
Okay.
the gun. Shoot
See, what do you
the
do?
screen. Shoot the screen. Shoot the screen. Okay.
And
Shoot
now
the
you're
screen.
starting, right?
Step on the pedal. Yes, step it. Shoot story game.
You shoot the story game. Okay.
You need to be focused. Shoot. Down. Story game. Okay. Stage 1. Let's rescue, let's heal somebody. Shoot screen to fast forward to see. Shoot screen. Shoot it. Okay. Now, when you step on the pedal, you go up. Step on it. See?
Oh,
go
you
up.
step on the pedal, right?
Yeah, and go down.
Yeah, yeah.
When you go down, you reload.
Great Scott. Miriam, you're amazing.
Okay.
She's
Be
lethal.
Closer of the screen, yeah. And now.
Oh boy. They can run, but they can't hide.
It's very, very, very good game.
Yeah, for
You
practicing.
really need to be focused on the target.
To shoot it, yeah?
To shoot it.
Yeah.
You can get, see?
Oh, I like
you
it.
can get
Yeah.
the guy with one shot.
That's very satisfying, yeah. Oh, look at that.
If there is a woman that
Miriam-
don't like guys, she
She's
can
very good.
kill
I would
a
say
lot
that's,
of them.
but Miriam's not a, she's not a, what's the opposite of a misogynist? Well, a non-misogynist,
Yes.
but
Shoot, yes, okay. And she was killed.
she got killed.
Yeah, she got killed.
No,
Yeah.
don't do that, Miriam. You got to get them. Listen, I remember there was a game I used to play. Miriam, keep killing people. And there was a game I used to play that had monsters in it. It was called Haunted House or House of...
Yeah, but pinball machine you're talking about. Pinball.
No,
There was a pinball
No, it was a
haunted
shooting game, and I would
Okay,
shoot.
House of the Haunted
And there was
House,
these
I-
ghosts are coming
Okay.
out, monsters.
Monsters. I don't
Remember that
have
game?
I don't have that game.
Ah, I used to love that
I
game.
just I saw it on the YouTube only.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't see any.
No, this was like, it was a while ago. It was 15 years ago or something.
15
yeah.
years ago.
Yeah, yeah.
But maybe it was House of Dead.
House of Dead, that was
Oh, okay.
it. House of Dead, it was very good.
Okay.
You know that
But
one?
it was.
Is that a good one?
House of yeah, very good.
Yeah, yeah. I love that
I
game.
have it.
You have it?
Yeah.
You have it upstairs?
Not here.
Oh, no.
But I have it.
Ah,
I love this game.
I could spend a lot of money here and a lot of,
This is
a lot of
classic
hours.
game,
Yeah, but that's fun too. I like that.
yeah? But it's 1995.
This is called Time Crisis,
Time
right?
crisis. It is first time crisis.
Uh-huh.
Yeah? And the first day game with 3D graphics.
Yeah. Okay. The first one with 3D graphics.
With shooting game, yes.
That's amazing. You get a lot of people come here on parties and things like that.
Just go after work. You can
after
come and drink a beer and play at the pinballs. And the weekend you can come with
your kids, your family.
Yeah.
What does it cost me to come here per person? What does it
Per
cost?
person. Adult person, it's
Yeah.
40 zloty.
40 zlotys for 1 hour?
For a whole day.
For a whole day?
Yeah.
40 zlotys for a whole day? Folks, this is an amazing, that's an amazing deal. And I can tell Miriam is already hooked. We'll be back with more from the Pinball Museum. Stay tuned to Poland Daily Travel. Get him, Miriam. Come on, Miriam. Shoot him. Okay, Pavel, so, welcome back, folks. Pavel, what have we got here? This caught my eye.
Sega, 1997 Super Hang-On.
And what do you do?
One of the... Whoa.
It's a driving machine? Oh, it's a motorcycle.
Yes. Like in the motorcycle. But it's from 1987. You need to be the fastest. Yeah?
Okay.
I love this game.
That's amazing.
I love this game. For me, it's one of the best.
A long time ago.
For me, it's one of the best fast games in the world. For me.
Yeah, because you got to stay on the motorcycle.
Yeah. I need to be really fast and focused in 100%. To get those guys.
People can come. You must have people who come here and stay for a week.
Now I play. Okay, checkpoint. If you are the best, you can play.
Yeah.
You don't put any coins inside because you paid for a ticket. But 25 years ago, when you put one coin inside, and you are the best driver, you can drive whole game. Whole day for one coin. Yeah, this is the best. If you are the best.
That's amazing. And
yeah, I love this.
Did you do that?
No.
Me either.
But this is really tough game.
But in House of the Dead, I used to be good. What about these?
Pinballs, just pinballs.
What's the oldest machine that you've got in this place?
The oldest one is board golf from 1932.
1932. I think I saw that. That was by the entrance.
wood one. Yeah.
The wood one from 1932.
100% mechanical pinball machine.
Do you know what you need? I just thought of it. You need a jukebox.
No.
You don't like jukebox?
You know why?
Why?
When you come here at the evening,
Yeah.
and here is about 50 people playing,
Yeah.
you don't hear anything.
You wouldn't hear anything.
Because you hear only 50 pinballs and arcade games working and shooting and playing.
And you like that, yeah?
I love it.
That's an amazing sound. This is a great
The oldest one is from 1932, and the youngest pinball machine I have is from 1999. But the youngest one have 20 years.
That says Creature from the Black Lagoon.
I love things in the old games. Of course, you need to rescue
graphics,
girl. You are the
rescue the
hero to rescue.
Say no to drugs. That's from the 80s.
Yes.
Right?
Say
Because
no.
you don't want anybody...
Don't use drugs and drive.
Yeah.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't play pinball and use drugs.
Yes. The pinball champions don't use drugs.
No, they got... Hey, look. I saw
like
Tommy.
this. Yeah.
And Pinball Wizard has to be clean. That was one of the messages.
Yeah.
It's a purity, right?
Yes.
You remember the movie? Yeah. Okay, we got Lethal Weapon here.
Yeah. Classic film.
This is an old classic. Yeah.
And Taxi one.
Oh, we got
and look
Taxi.
who's here.
Gorbachev.
Yeah.
Marilyn Monroe.
And Mary Monroe.
And Keith Richardson. No, I don't know who that is.
No, but Dracula and Santa Claus with,
Is that Santa Claus?
with pinball. But the best thing is that this one is with Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah.
There is not
Fantastic.
too many.
Speaking of Marilyn Monroe, where is Miriam, I wonder? She's still shooting.
She's shooting still.
She's still shooting. We'll get to her in a second. Look, you got the Flintstones here.
Yeah.
Gilligan's Island.
Yeah,
These are old television shows from the 60s or
Nice
something.
game.
Yeah. And
Very good game for kids.
The
Flintstones
Shadow.
and
this is Alec Baldwin.
Yeah.
I barely recognize it.
Very nice
Yeah.
graphics.
Yeah, it's
Shadow.
this
With
looks like an
can.
amazing game, actually.
I love with can.
That was a good movie. I enjoyed that movie.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Nice pinball.
The shadow knows. Miriam, what are you doing down there?
Yeah.
You shooting some bad guys? How's it going there?
Yeah, great.
Miriam's shooting bad guys. Shoot them, Miriam. Are you winning? Yeah? Hey, come up here. We got another game for you to play. You want to join us? Can I drag you away from shooting bad guys? Come on. So, Pavel, you wanted Miriam to try the
Let's check that she can drive something.
racing machine, right? Okay,
I love
stay with us, folks.
Race games.
Poland Daily Travel. Miriam's going to come up here, and here she comes, and we're going to put her on the driving machine after this break.
Okay.
Be right back.